Guys, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So from the title of this video, you guys already know what you're gonna be doing today. So we're gonna be taking our pictures finally. Yeah, I know this has been long overdue. Like, I've been wanting to take this picture for like since I think it was 6 months old or thereabout, but better late than never. So we're going to be jumping into this video right now, and guys, please, I just want to say, with all the craziness that's going on in the world right now, my heart is so heavy. I was planning on making a different video for these things that is going on, but I did not know where to start. Like, oh god, I just hope everybody's safe, and we should just, in fact, I'm going to make a different video for everything, so just watch out for that. And I have so much to talk about, everything that went down, like, and so many other stories I would like you guys to hear. Like, when I mean so many other stories, I mean things that happened back then when we were little and stuff like that. Anyways, so we are here now because I'm sure he's ready. Hey baby, hey baby, say hi. Anyways, I've already brought out his clothes. Let me show you guys. We're going to be wearing 3 outfits. I wanted to do more, but I'm not sure DK is ready to do more than that. So I'm going to be showing you guys right now some of the clothes. I'm going to be tagging where I got them from an Instagram vendor. She really has nice outfits, especially girls' clothes. Like, I can't wait to have a girl. Anyways, let's jump right into it. And if you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, okay? Thank you. So this is for you, baby, mwah. This is outfit number 1 shot, but just this is the first one. This is another one. This is another one. And then this pair of sneakers and sandals. I don't know which one I should put on yet. I might not even put any of them. I don't know. Let's just go with what we have. So we're going to be changing our outfit now. So, who is ready? Pictures. Outfit number 1. Hey baby. Hey. I'm going to go and comb this hair and start taking these pictures, okay? Yeah. Say cheese. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Cha, 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 cha. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Hey. You don't want to smile. Oh, I close this photo shoot and you grow up and act to raise your picture of 8 months, and when you were still a little boy in life. I will not even tell you. Hello, Mrs. Camera Woman. Camera Woman, let's see you. Darling, don't cry, baby. Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
A few moments later.
final outfit. We finally made it through. Hey, bro. Hey, guys. Mwah, mwah. Finally, we are done. This boy, can you imagine? He actually went to take a nap at the middle of a photo shoot. Are you for real, DK? He's laughing. Anyways, if you want to see more pictures, just follow me on my Instagram account. You see more of it. I'm very active on my stories, so do well to follow me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Please do well to subscribe, share this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys. Say bye. Bye, guys.